So Adobe stock just released some new news that could potentially make us a lot of money with time on Adobe stock. Adobe stock sent out an email pretty recently basically mentioning that they're going to release this ability for consumers to download images and also change or edit the images with the power of AI to kind of configure or change something in the image. Basically, as a viewer or a user, you can go into Adobe stock, pay your subscription, and let's say there's an image you like, but there's one small element you want to change on it. It can then go ahead and I guess you could prompt or type in something to the AI, the built-in AI, probably using Adobe Firefly or something related to it. And then what it will do is it will change components of that very image to match what you're looking for. I received this letter, like I said, this email. Anybody who's consistently uploading is going to receive the same email. I figured I'd kind of release it. First off, before we begin, I apologize for not consistently posting. I made a post on my community basically telling you guys that, I've been working very, very, very hard behind the scenes on my own stock profiles. I've been trying to contribute as much and upload as much as I possibly can. To the point where I've actually been getting less sleep recently. Even though a lot of it is automated and I'm using AI tools and bots to literally create images for me, upload them, upscale them, etc., it's still part of the game where I'm really just putting in a lot of energy, managing things. I'm studying the game, I have no other way to explain it other than like I'm monk moding, I'm nerding out, where basically I'm only focusing on one thing and how to be an expert at it. I have a history of doing this. This is not the first time I've done something like this, where I kind of just go dark, if you will, which kind of sounds like cheesy and weird, but basically, I completely focus on one thing at a time, and I dedicate myself to it at the highest level. And part of that is just building up the portfolio, learning what works, what doesn't. Everybody's a little bit different. And this is one of those businesses where, my attention, my automation styles that I've been using have been phenomenally successful. I've shared all the automation tutorials here on YouTube. And even in the course, I've been pushing, like I said, really, really hard. And for me, this is an opportunity that cannot be wasted. And I want to look back 10, 20 years from now, whenever this whole thing is over and the robots have fully taken over, I want to look back, hopefully when I'm an old man, and say, you know what? I used this time wisely and I did what I did and I earned what I earned. So, I'm just going hard. I apologize for not posting. Like I said, guys, hopefully that message kind of inspires you to keep working really, really hard behind the scenes. At the end of the day, we're all grinding, we're all pushing, and we're all trying to get somewhere. So let me kind of read this message and we'll kind of go over it. It says Adobe stock. Obviously, I blurred out my profile name. It says, as mentioned in the recent blog post, Adobe stock continued commitment to creations in the era of generative AI. New generative AI features are coming to Adobe stock with the intent to increase licenses. And so when they mean increase licenses, guys, really what they're saying is increase license sales, which relates to downloads, right? Obviously. So in the coming months, we plan to introduce new AI features that will enable Adobe stock customers to adjust existing stock images in real time to match their vision, style, or brand preferences and increase license conversion. Bringing these features to Adobe stock will increase the usability of stock images, which we believe will make it more likely to be licensed, increasing contributor earnings potential. So it's an avenue for us to potentially make more money. Okay? Any image that starts with an Adobe stock image as a reference and then edited to match the needs of the customer will result in a license. Licenses generated through these features will appear as a custom license earnings in the contributor portal. At Adobe, we're deeply invested in evaluating and thinking carefully about how generative AI is changing creative workflows, and we are committed to innovating responsibly in a partnership with creators and stock contributors and customers. Guys, overall, this is phenomenal news for us. Overall, it's phenomenal news. People who have maybe a little bit less sales, maybe because there are certain errors in their images or whatever the case may be, or maybe not even errors, maybe things that are not pleasable to the end viewer. Things can change. They can cause you to get more sales, but it also is going to be more competitive, right? At the end of the day, this is kind of one of those businesses where a lot of people who never even tried the business might complain about, how competitive it is, or not competitive, excuse me, how my brain is fried. I've been working, like I said, all day. Not how competitive, it's how saturated. That's the word I was looking for. Sorry. See how slow my brain is going? Anyways, how saturated the industry is. The industry is not saturated. There's so much money to be made out there. The fact that somebody can, with no experience, with no tools, with no resources, can go out there, create an AI image of something like an apple, and in a period of weeks to months get downloads on that image, it just goes to prove that there's not saturation. And on top of that, we're talking about a total of over 524 million images, and that's no saturation, or not no saturation, but low saturation. Depends on what niche and all those things you're going with. Listen, the point here that I'm trying to just, I guess, bring home is this is an email. It's new content. Prepare for it. If you need something to motivate you to go out there and do this kind of work, use this as a motivational factor. Try to pull from anything you can. I'm not sure what everybody here struggles with. Everybody has different struggles. Everybody has different things going on. One of the things that you could do is you can prepare for the future self, your future self, how much income you want to earn, and how hard you can work. At the end of the day, the images that need to be created, they're not going to create themselves, at least not yet, right? You have the ability to make money off of these opportunities. To put things into consideration, guys, and I'll be 100% frank with you, since September 1st, I haven't uploaded a single image on Redbubble, on TeePublic, and I've been making thousands of dollars on there. Still, it has not changed. The month is not even over, and I've made thousands, without exaggeration, on these platforms. I have Zazzle, I have Society6, I've been going hard on, and this month I haven't done any of that. I've been just literally collecting income. Why have I been collecting income? Why in such plethora? It's because I've grinded super, super hard over the past few years. I was telling people back in like 2020, maybe even 2019, and this was when the channel was a lot smaller. Nobody really cared. I was telling people this whole Redbubble, TeePublic thing is not going to exist forever. Go out there, kill it, work as hard as you possibly can. And this is when I don't know if you guys remember, maybe some of you do, maybe some of you don't. At the time, Redbubble used to have this limit where you can upload 60 designs a day, 60 images to the clothing a day. Not just clothing, but other products. You can upload 60 a day. And I was maxing out my 60 every single day. And then what I did is I found a way to create other accounts, and I started uploading to those other accounts as well. I even hired virtual assistants to do the same thing. And I was creating this massive output of over 300 plus images a day on various accounts. And today I'm reaping the rewards of that, and I don't have to work for it anymore. But here we are 3, 4, 5, 6 years later, after all that work has amalgamated, and I'm earning income without doing any work to it. I think the best thing we can all do is have a long-term vision approach. And I understand that it could be difficult for people who are, it's their very first time in a business model, and they can't see the light at the end of the tunnel. But the reality is that every business is the same. It's extremely hard, for the journey that is the beginning journey, which is really equates to 95% of the effort. The other 5% is when you pass that beginner's journey. Now you're just profiting. You're experiencing the profits. You know what you're doing. You have a blueprint. You have skills that you set out. And what happens is life becomes so much easier, and you're simply, like I said, just profiting. You have systems that work. You have things in place that everything flows smoothly. But that 95% beginner's journey, most people, 95% of people, end up quitting, falling through. They just don't pass through that period. And it's different for everybody. It's different. Some people, that period could take a year. Some people, that period could take 4 months. Some people, that period could take 3 years. Some people, it could take 15 years. Some people don't even pass that period. Some people start and they just quit. so they'll never get past that. The reality is every business model has that beginner's period where you are going through struggle. You're confused. You're not sure what's going on or why things are going wrong. You're trying to pull data from all different aspects. And the reality is these kind of businesses, there's no, get rich quick. Of course, there are tools, there are things that can help you. Like for example, when I'm using the automation tools and such, right? These are tools that literally do work for me. I don't have to go out there and do things that, I essentially don't need to. I don't have to. I don't have to sit there and create images. The tool, the AI, everything does that for me, so I don't need to waste time doing that. But the point is that everybody has their own journey. And if this is something you want to take seriously, you have to picture your life in a way of, how would my life look like if I achieved what I want? If I want to achieve, for example, $5,000 a month, how would my life look like? And you want to be extremely specific with your life. What you're picturing in your mind. What you need to do is you need to hypnotize. You need to brainwash yourself. You need to truly believe that what you're going to do is going to help you in the future. A lot of the times, people quit because they just simply don't believe in themselves. But they don't believe in themselves because they haven't told themselves a story. They haven't dreamed about their success. They haven't really imagined themselves in a better place. I know how sometimes when I don't post videos for people, it can be demotivating. But the reality is you can't have shiny object syndrome. You can't keep looking for that new thing that you're going to strike gold on. Because the reality is every business is the same, and it's very much a gamified model. It's very much like a video game. You're going to start at level 1 every single time for the most part. And you might have some talents, you might have a high IQ, you might have all these different resources that can help you, right? But you're pretty much starting at the bottom every time. And if you keep quitting before you reach max level, you'll never feel what it feels like to achieve a high level of success in a certain industry. I've been giving, like I said, the same exact advice 4 years ago, 5 years ago, saying the exact same things, just in a different niche, different industry, right? And there were still people who found ways to complain, found ways to say something negative about the business, or, find a way to complain about competition, or, all of that nonsense. The reality is that these businesses are not going to get any easier. They're going to get only harder, especially for those type of people. Now, the people who are the creatives, the people who are curious, who are always energized and ready to go, these are the people who are going to find ways to push. And I was just thinking about this the other day, is that in the beginning of my business journey, for the first 3 years, I had to push from sheer willpower. I didn't have results. I didn't have success. I didn't have, the best kind of income, you know what I'm saying, by any means. In fact, there were years where the first year I didn't make any money. But the point is that I had to push through willpower. After that, when the results came, I didn't need to push through willpower anymore. Everything was smooth sailing. It was coasting because I had gone through that period of the hardships. Every business has hardships. Don't feel bad for yourself. Don't feel sorry for yourself. Just keep pushing, And like I said, I can't guarantee that I'll make videos every single day. I used to at one point, but right now I'm on my grind just as the same way you guys are. We're all working extremely hard on these businesses. I hope you are. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're pushing yourself to the best of your ability. If you guys have certain video requests, put them in the comments down below. Obviously, I'm not going to be posting all the time, but I'll try my best to create some decent videos that can move the needle for you guys and really help you improve. And of course, if anybody's curious and needs more content, you can check out the course, the Superstock AI course. I actually updated the page here where I kind of showed like the free software tool. So I know people have been asking about that. They said, how do we know we're getting the software tool with the course? Guys, if I didn't update the webpage, but I did mention it in my videos at the time where I was like, if you log in, you check the software link, you're going to see, in the menu bar at the bottom, a link that says software. Not only does it include discount codes for other softwares, but it will include the free software included in the course. And by the way, the software that I included for free in the course, this is not a software that was immediately in the course. So if you're a member since the very beginning, since day one, where you joined the course as soon as I released it, go log into the members area. Access the new videos, access the new softwares, access content that you didn't access before. This course is, I don't really want to call it a course. It's just a library of my information that I personally learned along the way, and I'm just sharing it here. So hopefully, guys, this helps out. I'll talk to you guys soon. But like I said, put those comments down below, those video requests. I'll look at them over time. I'll think about which videos to make, and we'll get it going. All right? I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you guys for watching, and peace out. Bye.